Hey, it's Chris from ROE Dental Laboratory, and today we are discussing how to clean splints, our 3D printed splints, thermal splints. Specifically though, we get the questions on the 3D printed splints since it's such a newer product. We do have different options with our 3D printed splints, and this cleaning lesson applies to all of our different options for that. So as far as daily cleaning, once the patient wakes up in the morning, they brush their teeth, and they can take their splint and just run it under warm water and just clean both sides of the splint. Some patients want to use mouthwash to clean it. If they do that, make sure there is no alcohol in the mouthwash. Otherwise, it could discolor, damage the splints. As far as a weekly cleaning or a monthly cleaning, we recommend at minimum a monthly cleaning, and especially like a deep clean solution. And what we do there is we take a bowl or a cup of warm water and have just one teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, dump it in, mix it up, and place the splint into the solution just for 5 minutes, no longer. Very simple and easy. Take it out, scrub it with the brush, and they are good to go on the deep clean. Once a month at minimum, like I said. Weekly would be ideal, but at least get them doing it once a month. If there's any other questions on our 3D printed splint options or any of our options, visit us at our website. Also, if there's any questions or comments specifically, you can leave some questions or comments below in the comment section. And please subscribe to our YouTube page as well. Thank you.